Hello students. Yesterday we read one page of chapter 2. We are not afraid to die if we can all be together. We read that Gordon Cook, who is the narrator of the story, he made a journey from England to different oceans of the world. He wanted to duplicate the journey made by Captain James 200 years ago. So there were 4 members of his family and 2 other members who joined when they entered in Indian Ocean, Larry, Vigil and Herb, and all other 4 were the family members. So when they entered into the Indian Ocean, the weather got changed. So today we are going to read from page number 14 and para number 3. We read on 2nd January when they were in Indian Ocean, the waves were gigantic, means huge. They were sailing with a small storm jib. Jib I had already showed you yesterday. Let me show you again. So this piece of cloth is known as jib, okay, which gives direction to the wind or which helps the boat to move according to the direction of the wind. And they were still making 8 knots. They tied the rope. As the ship rose to the top of the wave, each wave, we could see endless, enormous sea rolling towards us. So whenever any wave take them up, so they could see that the another waves are rolling towards them. So they could see that the whole ocean was having enormous waves continuously rolling towards the boat. तो you can imagine बेटा, देखो हर बोट उनको टॉप पर लेके जा रही है, ठीक है, क्योंकि जैसे ही वेव आती है उनकी बोट उछल कर ऊपर, and they could see another waves are rolling towards them. So there was no stop. The screaming of the wind means they could hear the wind, the sound of the wind near their ears. It was so loud. The spray was painful to the ears. To slow the boat, what did they do to slow the boat? Because if the boat would be on its full speed, there are chances it would be broken and hit with the wind. So what they decided to slow down the speed of the boat. तो what they did to slow down the speed of the boat, उसकी speed को कम करने के लिए what they did, they dropped the storm jib. वो जो उन्होंने फैब्रिक लगाया हुआ था, कपड़ा होता है जो जिब होता है, उसे हटा दिया. And lashed a heavy mooring rope. So lashed mean they tied a rope where across the stern. What is stern? Stern is this. You can see here the whole body part is stern, okay. So what they did, they tied it with a boat. They tied it with a rope, okay, so that the boat would be joined together when any wave would hit them. They double lashed, they double tied everything. हर चीज़ को बार बार रस्सी से बांध दिया so that they will be connected. Then they wore their life jackets so that and attached lifelines, don't oil skin. देखो अब उन्होंने क्या किया, लाइफलाइन जैकेट्स भी पहन ली विच विल बी वाटर प्रूफ. ऑल्सो उन्होंने अपने आप को बोट से भी बांध लिया. हर बंदे ने अपने आप को बोट से कनेक्ट कर लिया कि अगर वो बोट से बाहर भी गिरे तो दे वुड बी स्टिल कनेक्टेड टू द बोट, ठीक है. सो ये प्रिपरेशंस उन्होंने तूफान आने से, मतलब तूफान आ रहा है और अपने आप इससे पहले कि उनकी बोट पलट जाए, दे डिड ऑल द प्रिपरेशंस, ठीक है. वो लाइफलाइन जैकेट पहन ली, वाटर प्रूफ जैकेट्स, एंड टाइड देमसेल्व्स विद द रोप. एवरीथिंग वाज टाइड विद द रोप इन द बोट, राइट. The first indication means the first sign of the pending disaster, impending mean which is about to happen. It came at 6 p.m. Now a big storm is about to happen. But there was huge silence. Ominous silence mean a bad silence. जैसे हम कहते हैं ना कि तूफान से पहले की शांति, तो करीबन 6 बजे everything got silent. The wind dropped. It stopped working and the sky became dark. Then came a roaring sound. Roar means a kind of strong sound. And what they noticed, that a cloud, they noticed a figure of cloud, कि एक बादल बड़ा सा उनके aft means top of the ship के सामने दिखाई दे रहा है. But it was not a cloud. What it was? It was not a cloud but a wave. So a huge wave which was twice the height of other waves. इतनी बड़ी wave उन्होंने कभी भी नहीं देखी थी. The boat was hit with the enormous wave. बड़ी सी wave आई और उनकी बोट को hit कर दिया. The roar increased to the thunder as the stern moved to the face of the wave. तो the stern of the boat hit the wave. अब पूरी बॉडी जो थी बोट की वो हिट हो गई किससे? वेव से. एंड फॉर अ मोमेंट आई रियलाइज्ड और आई थॉट वी माइट राइड ओवर इट. पहले तो उन्हें लगा कि अगर बोट अभी हिट हुई है तो बोट जो है वो वेव के ऊपर चली जाएगी, पानी उसे ऊपर ले जाएगा. बट एक्चुअली ऐसा हुआ नहीं. देयर वॉज अ ट्रेमेंडस एक्सप्लोजन. एकदम से ब्लास्ट हुआ, ठीक है, एंड शुक द डेक. The upper part of the boat was shaken by the wave. Then a stream, means a torrent of green and white water, started entering. What happened? The water started entering into the boat. Yes. So they could see that water was entering, green and white water was entering into the ship, and राइटर्स हेड, वो जैसे एक पूरी बड़ी सी वेव ने बोट को टक्कर मारी तो क्या हुआ, राइटर का हेड जाके कहाँ लगा? इट वॉज स्मैश्ड इनटू द व्हील. व्हील वो स्टीयरिंग व्हील जिसे वो बोट को राइड कर रहे थे. आई वॉज अवेयर ऑफ फ्लाइंग अब्रोड. ओवरबोर्ड मीन वो बोट से बिल्कुल बाहर जाके गिरा. एंड ही वॉज सिंकिंग, ही वॉज ड्राउनिंग इनटू द वाटर. He accepted his approaching death. As I was losing consciousness, means he was getting fainted, बेहोश हो रहा था, and he accepted his death, that it seemed peaceful. उसे लग रहा था अब शांति आ गई है कि अब मैं मरने वाला हूँ. But just imagine how it would be. Unexpectedly, suddenly, when he was sinking into the water, his head popped out. Popped out mean came out. His head came out of the water. He could see his boat few meters away, which was capsizing. Capsizing mean tossing. Tossing mean moving up and down. उसे दूर से दिखाई दिया, हालांकि वो समुंदर में कहीं और जाके गिरा. He could see that the boat was going up and down with the water or the wave. The mast of the boat was horizontal. So you can see in this picture that this mast which is vertical, it got horizontal. ऐसे लेट गया क्योंकि it was hit with the wave. Yes. Then a wave hurled her upright. अब एक और वेव आई, उसने उसे स्ट्रेट किया बोट को. My lifeline jacket then my lifeline jerked out, means he suddenly felt a hit. अब देखो जो उसने रस्सी बांधी हुई थी वो एकदम से खींची गई, ठीक है. तो क्या हुआ? I grabbed the rails. He took that rope. उसने उसकी रोप की हेल्प ली, जो कि एक हिस्सा बोट से बंधा हुआ था, एक हिस्सा उसके साथ बंधा हुआ था. तो अभी भी अपनी बोट से वो कनेक्टेड रह सकता है, ठीक है. उसने उस रोप को पकड़ा एंड देन व्हाट ही स्टार्टेड, ही रीच्ड टू द पोर्ट, ठीक है. ही वॉज टॉसिंग लाइक अ डॉल. अब वेव्स जब भी वो बोट की तरफ जा रहा था रस्सी की हेल्प से, व्हाट वॉज हैपनिंग, ही वॉज टॉसिंग, गोइंग अप एंड डाउन विद द वेव्स लाइक अ डॉल, ठीक है. इतनी स्ट्रॉन्ग वेव्स थी. तो व्हाट हैपेंड टू द राइटर, हिज लेफ्ट रिब्स मीन द बोन्स बिलो द चेस्ट, राइट. हिज रिब्स वर क्रैक्ड, broken, and his mouth was filled with blood. His teeth got broken, his ribs got broken, his mouth was filled with blood, but anyhow he swam, वो तैर कर गया. He reached to the top of the boat. He handled the wheel, जिससे उनकी बोट को चलाना था, उसने उसको हैंडल किया ताकि पहले तो बोट को स्ट्रेट किया जाए, सो दैट अदरवाइज इट वुड बी टर्न्ड। ठीक है, तो वाटर एवरीवेयर, ही कुड फील दैट द शिप हैड वाटर एवरीवेयर। देखो उनकी पूरी बोट में पानी भर गया, बट अब उसे ये भी नहीं पता उसकी फैमिली के साथ क्या हुआ है। बट ही कैन नॉट लीव, अबेंडन मीन लीव द व्हील। देखो बेटा, वो अपने व्हील को छोड़ के भी नहीं जा सकता, क्योंकि अगर वो बोट को देखने जाए नीचे डाउन केबिन्स में कि बच्चे को के साथ क्या हुआ है, पानी कहाँ कहाँ तक है, तो फिर बोट ही टर्न हो जाएगी, उल्टी हो जाएगी। तो दैट इज़ वाई व्हाट इज़ मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट टू हैंडल द व्हील ऑफ द शिप, राइट। सो सडनली the front hatch, the door was opened and Mary appeared. His wife came up. She shouted, "We are sinking." उसने अपने husband को बताया that they were about to die because there was water all around. And the decks were smashed. Decks mean the upper part of the boat was broken, smashed, and that was full of water. उसने अपनी वाइफ को कहा, टेक द व्हील। ही आस्क्ड हर टू हैंडल द व्हील सो दैट ही कुड गो डाउन and look at the everything, or look at or investigate everything that what has been done with the boat and where to do the repair. So his wife handled the wheel and he ran towards the hatch, means door, so that he could see what had happened to the boat. He would go downstairs. Let's see what would happen. So you are to read up to page number 15, okay, second line, and if you come across any doubt you can ask, okay. Yes.